Hey guys, it's Darren with Hollywood Classic Cars. We're looking at the 1985 Porsche 911. All right, here's where you release the gas cap. Please use 91 premium fuel. Here's where you release the front trunk. It is lockable if you park on the street. Pop it open, just slide this over. The trunk lifts up. The key actually has a light on it for at nighttime. Headlights, you're going to pull out twice. Here's the turn signal. There's your fuel gauge. The oil gauge will move around some, that's normal, but as long as it has some reading and doesn't just sit on the empty, you should be fine. Here's a temperature gauge, the power window switches, and this is to control the power tilt mirrors. You can select either the driver or passenger with this switch. There's your interior door pull to open the door. You got your windshield wiper and washer switch, parking brake, press to release. Here's the heater, just pull up on these, one's for the driver, one's for the passenger, and then set your blower speed. This is the fresh air blower, and this is going to be your defrost. Here the radio, press and hold the source to turn it on. You can put in your phone here through USB, or it has Bluetooth connectivity and CD player as well. You have the fog lights here. Inside the glove box, you've got the insurance and registration information. Here's a standard 5-speed shift pattern. The only thing you need to know here is first to second gear can be a little notchy, so it's best if you shift slowly, not try to force it into second. To slide the seats forward, there's a bar underneath both seats. If you're looking to tilt, the driver's seat has power functions on the side, and the passenger seat has a manual lever. Always good to buckle up. The horn's located right in the middle of the steering wheel.